hello there, interwebs. Alright, it's too nice outside not to go out. So, this is the day I'll do my follow-up video for the Nuraloops. Quarantine hair in full swing. Yeah, I look great. Where are they? On charge. Gonna go and play basketball in these and see how they fare. Hello? Alright, so just got to the court, about to play, and I'm trying to turn these headphones on because I've had them charging for a little bit before coming down here, and they don't seem to want to come out of their deep sleep mode. Let's see how long this takes. Try and go into the app and see if it'll help connect that way. Reconnect device via Bluetooth. Huh.
1 hour later.
Okay, so after that short little while of taking a couple shots with these Nuraloops, the seal is pretty good. It's not consistent though, so there was a fair few times obviously I've got to adjust it to get the seal back to basically blocking out everything. Comparing it to the power beats that I had prior to this one, it's a lot better at blocking out sound. I couldn't even hear myself dribbling the ball whenever I'd turned the social mode off. When social mode is on just now, I can hear the wind. So yeah, obviously, I guess for runners, if you've got social mode on and you're trying to be a little bit safer while you're jogging so you can hear cars and everything, the wind is going to probably take away the quality of the sound that you're hearing from the song. Other points of this, these touch dials are very, very sensitive. So every time I try and adjust to get the seal back, it would either, because my right one is stop and start and the left one is social mode on and off, I'd be turning the social mode on and off and stop and starting randomly whenever I had to try and adjust it, just because there's nowhere you can really grip the loop without hitting the touch dial. So even there I just had to turn it off there. I don't know if it's just because, I mean, I have small ears so I don't know if that's a thing. I mean, might need to change the tips that are on them right now just to adjust the way the seal works. It might be that. Oh, I've just accidentally turned, no, okay, cool. Accidentally turned social mode on and off again. Playing ball with social mode off, it's the track is still very clear. Like the sound quality is really good on these. I was hearing stuff in tracks that I wasn't hearing before in any other earphones or headphones that I've worn in the past. So that's a big plus. It's the audio is so clear when you've got social mode off and you're still playing. As I say, you always have to adjust, but the sound quality is still good. How are you feeling?
Tired.
Are we done? Finally. Yes, we is. You look hella sweaty, bro.
I'm sweating a lot.
Alright. Like and subscribe, innit?
Jeez.
Stay safe. Okay, so just as I was editing this video, email from Nuraloop saying they have planned firmware updates. So they're saying they're going to try and improve the automatic on-off function, which is something I hoped for. The earphones will just turn off, and then it'll be hard to get them back out of their deep sleep mode. And yeah, that's a bit of a pain in the ass, but like they say, they're going to try and sort that out with an update. Other people have been having issues with the voice calls, saying that it sounds muffled on the other end. When I've tested it, it seemed fine, but I guess if it's anything to improve the earphones, I'm all for it. Some people having touch dial problems with it not sitting in the ear properly, and the sealing to the ear. The seal that it creates, they're going to try and update how the app actually reads the seal when you've popped them on. So yeah, they're going to try and improve that. Pretty much two of those points I've touched on in the first video and this video, so it's good that they're rolling out these updates a few weeks after releasing this out to the public. So yeah, all good things. But as I said, hopefully it just improves the earphones and everybody will be happy from that point on. For all these Nuraloop emails, they never once said just to keep you in the loop. I mean, that's just a missed opportunity. God. Bye.